All right, hey you guys. So today we're doing clip-ins from Nadula Hair. Don't worry, I will link the texture, links, all that good stuff will be down below in the description box like always. But it's been such a long time since I have done clip-ins, you guys, and I'm excited about it. So these are the products I'm using today: some flexi rods, styling foam, and of course the detangling brush of your choice. My hair has been in these 4 braids for quite a while, so I just pinned the back up, and then my front 2 braids I'm going to take out a little bit of the middle for my leave out, and then I'm going to braid the sides right back up and pin them all down. The purpose of this is just trying to get your hair as flat as possible. Don't forget, you do have the option to leave some of your hair out if you choose to, but I wasn't doing that today. So this is how I'm prepping my clip-ins. You guys, I'm only using 1 bundle today. I'm going to show you how to use just 1 bundle of clip-ins, just in case you're on a budget, just in case, you know, you don't like a lot of clips or anything in your hair, whatever the case may be. So all I did was just go through and detangle them all. And then to start, I'm going to use this first clip as my guide and put that right in the middle of my hair. So because this hair is full, it's kinky curly hair, we're gonna have some volume. You can definitely get away with moving your first clip up and then working from there. So I'm gonna work upward, and then I'll go back and put another track in just a little bit. So I'm starting adding a couple clips there, and then I'm gonna take a really long clip and do that like a horseshoe right at the very top of my head where the leave out is going to be. And I'm gonna clip that down because that's an important step, just making sure that all blends. And then from here, we've kind of got our guide. I'm just gonna go in and, like I said, add another piece to the back, and then I'm gonna go in, lift up those tracks, and add a couple more pieces where I need to. It's okay if you have some gapping going on, just make sure it's not at the very top of your head, because that's what's going to, you know, be shown the most basically. So I went on ahead and split my hair in 3s, you guys, and I'm gonna start with this section right here, and we're just gonna start using our flexi rods. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, foam, detangle, and then I'm gonna braid kind of halfway on some of them. I kind of mixed it up. So some of them I did halfway, some of them I only braided just like a few inches down, and I just kind of kept that up while adding my flexi rods. So with this section, I'm focusing on blending my natural hair with the clip-ins. What I did here was just braid it all together. So I added some styling foam, I braided my hair on in with the clip-ins. Y'all, this is one way to do it. However, I think I would have preferred, and honestly, y'all, I just forgot. Like I said, it's been such a long time since I've done this style. I would have definitely preferred and gotten more definition with my natural hair had I just separated them. So basically just braiding my natural hair by itself would have probably been a better choice. But this is how we're looking, you guys. I went on ahead and set underneath the dryer for like, y'all, I don't even know how long I was under there, like 2 hours. Not all at one time, but off and on. I let this dry for about 3 hours straight, and I'm be honest, y'all, it still was not fully dry. It was crazy. Anyways, laying my edges with my Blue Lagoon gem, you guys, and my neat braid gel like I always do. And then, paranoid as I am, taking my blow dryer and making sure my flexi rods are nice and dry before I start to unravel them. And they were about 85% dry. They were pretty dry. It wasn't bad. But the front of my head wasn't, like where my natural hair was. It did not dry, you guys. It did not get the definition that I wanted, and you guys will see in just a second, but it is what it is. You know, we just work it out, we make it work. So I'm unraveling everything, taking my blow dryer again to hit the roots and to hit the ends. And then I'm just going to unravel and fluff out the curls, the hair, all that good stuff. And honestly, you guys, I ended up going outside this day. We were outside at the park and whatnot. The wind was definitely killing me this day, but my hair of course ended up drying and I ended up getting a lot more volume than what you see here, of course, because the hair is not fully dry. So just keep that in mind. And it ended up blending like very well. I was very surprised with how good it looked. It just ended up looking really good. I got compliments from my husband. He said he loved it. He hadn't seen me like in clip-ins in such a long time. And then a couple people when we were out and about as well. So yeah, this style ended up coming together. I did put a few bobby pins right in the front just to kind of pull my natural hair back, get it all to blend, simply because it just wasn't as defined as I wanted it to be. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'm going to give you guys two little things that I'm like two little tips basically in just 1 second. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I'm actually very happy with this look, y'all. I think it came out really cute. I do want to point out two things. One, I just forgot to do, and the other one, I don't know if I'll even do it right now, but you can do it. So the first thing is, I forgot to bring some of my actual natural hair back to cover the track up here so that it blends in going backwards and not just on the side. So make sure you do that. So basically you need 3 braids at the top where your leave out is versus 2 like I did, but I haven't done this style in so long, I just slipped my mind. And then 2 is my natural hair right here. It doesn't have as much luster, okay? I don't want to say dull, but it kind of is. So you can definitely see the difference kind of from here to here as far as the blackness goes. A quick fix for that is to add a little bit of oil on your actual natural hair, or just use fresh gel. If you kind of want your hair to have some sheen, a little bit of oil sheen, some type of oil, or just applying a little bit of fresh gel will make that blend. But other than those 2 things, I really don't have any complaints. I think the hair, it worked perfectly. This is only 1 bundle, so keep that in mind as well. Of course, they say whenever you're doing a full head, 1.5 to 2 bundles is kind of where you want to go. But what if you don't have the money? What if you don't have the coins? You can definitely get away with just 1 bundle of hair, you guys. It's all really just about what style you're gonna do and how you're going to space your clip-ins, and also what texture you're using. You can get away with it because this is kinky curly, you know, a curly type of texture, which is automatically going to give you more volume. But if you're doing straight clip-ins, I would definitely say you need 1.5 to 2 bundles. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna try and keep my hands out of my hair, but I think it came out really cute. It's very lightweight too. I forgot how lightweight clip-ins are. So that's it, you guys. I will put all the information on these clip-ins from Nadula down in the description box for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.